Hello guys, I'm heading into work today, going into my test lab, grab some new equipment. So basically today I need to grab a new HP Elite desk computer, HP mini desktop. So I think this is the one that I need to unbox and test here. It is the Elite Mini A05 G8 desktop that I need to test. Basically I need to build the driver pack in our MECM server so we can fix the boot and image this device with the driver. Use this key here to cut the box out. In here we've got a box keyboard. This is the keyboard that came with the HP Pro Desk computer, and in the box you find a sticker, power Y here, a mouse, power adapter, quick setup guide, the box here, see how it looks like. This is the new Elite Mini desktop. Looks pretty similar to the other one. So this is the old model, the 600 G4 is identical in size and design, but the old one look like it's much heavier than the new one. I would say if this one is 800 gram, this would be 600 grams, much lighter. So we'll take a quick look inside, see how it looks like inside here. Just unscrew this bolt and then we'll slide it toward, and then come out the cover. Alright, here's a close look on the AMD CPU. There's a empty slot here for a M.2 slot. So this is like a shield. There's a sticker in the back here. If you install a M.2 here, this is basically a heat shield, I think. And then the flash drive for the OS here. It is 256 gig. The brand is Western Digital 720 NVMe SSD, and I see the SanDisk chip over here too. So not sure if this is Western Digital or SanDisk. Usually the WD stand for Western Digital, but it might be Windows desktop PC. The Wi-Fi cord here for the wireless, BIOS battery here, and some plug for the accessory, and the CPU fan right here, exhaust this way. And in the back, let's see, in the back comparison to the O1, you can see the O1 has VGA 2 DisplayPort, USB to USB 3, I guess, with the SS. Look like USB 2.0 to me on those old model, but the new one USB, yeah, SS probably USB 3, but usually they coded blue, but HP they just keep it black, so they kind of look like USB 2, but look like all 4 port on USB 3, 2 DisplayPort, and a Ethernet connection, power source right here, and I'll go ahead. In the front here you can see the built-in speaker here, and USB-C, 2 more USB port, and a audio 3.5 jack. So let me slide this cover back in. And screw this back. Mainly a Dell shop in our lab, mostly Dell stuff. This is the Dell On-1 computer. We have a iMac back there, but we're testing these HP out and see how they work. Front interface, power button here. So I'll power this up and see. I need to get an exact model on this one. So power adapter. The power cable source, and I got a DisplayPort here, connect to one of these. Now I'm gonna connect the mouse and keyboard. Alright, now the network port going in here, and I'm gonna power this on with this power button here. There's some power delay, but it's coming on the screen there. To pixel boot this device, we're gonna power up and press F9 to bring up this boot menu. So starting Pixie over IPv4, and it's hitting on MECM server, so I hit enter to continue boot. Getting this error because I haven't added this to our MECM server yet. To get into this screen, you boot up with a F10 button, and this is the BIOS menu, system info, that's the product name, processor, memory is 16 gig. System diagnostic. And date and time. Security tab here. These are the default settings. Hard drive utility. And let's go to advanced setting, boot option here. After power loss, I'll change this to power on. There's a startup delay here. And UEFI driver. Security, TPM, secure boot config. We can see the store's info there, firmware, BIOS, serial number, see build communication, the integrate MAC address. After importing this device into our MECM console and add it to the bare metal imaging collection, now we can start imaging this device. We are running a pre-check here, making sure this hardware is supported by our MECM Pixie boot before proceeding to the imaging part. This passed because I have import the driver for this model and update the test sequence. I'm gonna be taking this OptiPlex 3000 thin flight home to do some testing at home with the new OS 10 beta that I'm gonna be testing. We got this new toy in as well as a HP camera, and it is a HP 965 4K streaming webcam. You can see a USB-C port in the back here. You can connect USB-C connector here, and look like it came with this connector USB-A on the other side. 3. There's a cover in the front you can remove for privacy. This thing looks like a missile launcher. It's classified as a HP 4K streaming webcam. Dang, it looks pretty nice and sharp. You see the setting is set to 4K. See original ratio. It's pretty sharp. Probably need some tuning, but I think this camera should, I don't know, mess around with it and see if we can get it more vibrant color to it. And it just stay in place using some magnet on it, so stay on. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Please like, subscribe for more, and hit that like button.